We've all got busy schedules, and life gets really fast and rough sometimes. And every time I walk out my door, I don't know exactly what the day is going to hold, but I know that seeing more of what I live on is going to teach me more about myself, about the people around me, about how to interact with those things than anything probably ever could. The great part about nature is it doesn't lie. I think that's the best. It's the most honest, brutally honest thing that there is in existence. I think that's why it's so important to me to go learn about it as much as I can. While we're here on this earth, all we have is the knowledge that we take with us when we go. And the way you can pass that down and leave a legacy that outlives you beyond anything that has to do with a beating heart at all. This stuff's just so important to me, I can't even wrap my head around it sometimes. The world is so beautiful, and taking the time out of the day to go appreciate that it's changed my life. I think it would change anybody's life. Just get out there. Go outside. Go as far as you can away from anything. And just exist.